Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to discuss about development analytics, equipment market research experience. So, without wasting our time, let's start the session. The Market Watch news branch was no longer concerned with the creation of the content. August. The Expresswire, the development analytics tools Bazaar analysis document is a knowledgeable and detailed survey of the present accompaniment of the world development analytics tools industry. Additionally, the research document categorized the global building analytics equipment bazaar through good avid gamers, manufacturers, regions, kids, kinds, and conclusion users. This document also reports international construction analytic equipment bazaar conditions, competitive conditions, market share, increased quotes, approaching development, analytic equipment bazaar conditions, competitive conditions, market share, increased quotes, approaching developments, market drivers, opportunities and challenges. Revenue channels and distributors domestically. These files categorize building analytics, equipment creations, obvious burning and imports and exports in the Arctic, the United States, Europe, ceramics, Japan, Southeast Asia, and India. The International Building Analytic Tools Bazaar record cover pages and offer details on must-have statistics, records, assistance, tendencies, and competitive landscapes during this area of interest sector. Construction analytics tools, bazaar size and shares analysis. In the global development analytics equipment market measurement was USD million and it is anticipated to reach USD to hectare by way of the conclusion of with a growing CAGR all the way through. The analysis file carries past, present and forecast market dimensions. Key participants profile statistics are obtainable with company details, enterprise overview and visible analytics introduction. Fresh traits of the business are also mentioned in these reports. It additionally covers new products, tendencies, affairs, monetary summary, strategies and dialogue intelligence platform. Advertising developments, the market share of major rivals turned into additional studied in the construction analytics equipment market file on a global level. Salesforce, Infor, Microsoft Agency, IBM Business Enterprise, Kulik Technologies, SAP SE, Oracle Business Enterprise, SAS Convention, TIPCO Application, MicroStrategy Incorporated. Construction Analytics Equipment Bazaar Boom Evaluation. The construction analytics tools market in the US, China, America, and Europe is expected to grow impulsively and extra within the forecast length of international construction analytics equipment market. Phase analysis, development analytics tools, Bazaar segment are categorized by the classification and application. These segments are utterly researched to provide bazaar forecast and forecast on the regional and national degrees. The information is displayed in a lot of charts and infographics together with estimated revenue and salary statistic, obnoxious profit and other counsel. On the groundwork of Artifact, this book shows the production, earning price, marketplace percent and boom rise of development analytics tools, market sorts, ruin a patent into. On the foundation of Artifact class, the development analytics tools bazaar is basically cut up into retail BFSI, energy and power, healthcare, accomplishment, IT and telecom others. The lookup file includes a score of wonderful components that drive bazaar increases. It represents the tendencies, constraints, and driver which are changing the bazaar for improved or for worse. This half additionally offers a range of distinctive segments and objectives that might also affect the market sooner or later. Correct facts are thoroughly additionally gives an assessment of the international bazaar and the dimension of each and every type of construction. This area refers to the ambit of manufacturing all the way there through the location. An appraisal is recorded in the database in accordance with all kinds manufacturers, region and international costs. An intensive comparison of the limits outlined in the documentation sets boundaries for drivers and providers and allowance for cardinal planning. Elements that imprecise market increase are actually important and as they can help increase special aerobolism to profit and present a good suggestion alternative in at any time increment increasing market. Moreover, we want insights from bazaar experts to improve consider the market. Construction analytics tools bazaar through the area. The construction analytics equipment market regional analysis provides a complete overview of the development analytics tools industry on basis of classification application and key participant regions are lined Arctic, the US, Canada, Mexico, Europe, Germany, France, United Kingdom, Russia, Italy, and relaxation of Europe, Asia, Pacific, China, Adon, Korea, India, Southeast Asia, and Australia, South America, Brazil, Argentina, Colombia, and light shore of South America, Central East and Africa, Arabia, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Egypt, South Africa, and rest of the Middle East and Africa. Aggressive landscape. The development analytics equipment market is fragmented, highly aggressive, and includes a number of principal players. Few fundamental groups dominate market share, and few originate America are expected to access the market all through the forecast period. Key avoid gamers are advancing a number of growth options together with new artifact launches, acquisition and collaboration, thereby contributing to the growth of the global development analytics tools market. For example, the World Construction Analytics Tools Market Dimension Research provides a simple overview of the trade together with definition, classification, applications, and trade chain structure. The World Construction Analytics Equipped Market Allotment file is provided for the international market in addition to building trends, competitive landscape analysis, and key regions. Construction popularity, development policies, and plans are discussed in addition to accomplishment techniques, and cost buildings are additionally analyzed. This document, moreover, states acceptation, consign, burning, deliver and appeal figures, charge expenses, profits, and tainted margins. Global Building Analytics Equipment Market Tendencies. The Global Building Analytics Tools Market delves deeply into the latest and rising international building analytics equipment bazaar tendencies and dynamics. Estimates for key market categories within the global construction analytics tools bazaar provide an in-depth overview of the bazaar. Within the bazaar framework, extensive bazaar research is performed by tracking key artifact ascension and monitoring excellent opponent. The analysis also contains a complete bold construction analytics equipment bazaar, possibly evaluation for each country. Advantage and niche segments areas announcement promising boom. Exact overview of bazaar altering bazaar dynamics of the business in-depth bazaar analysis through categories, software and so forth. Old, latest and projected market size in terms of quantity and cost. Fresh trade developments and tendencies. Competitive landscape of market techniques of key avid gamers and product choices. What are the leading drivers of the international key phrase bazaar? How massive will the keyword market and increase fees in upcoming years? What are the main tendencies that affect the growth of the global keyword bazaar? Key faction factors have an effect on bazaar share in Earth's right areas. Who are the most essential bazaar members and what strategies are they pursuing in the international key phrase bazaar? What are the market alternatives and threats to which players are exposed within the global key phrase market? Which industry treats trends, drivers and challenges are given driving that growth? For global building analytics equipment profit and bazaar allotment by mean of participant. Global development analytics equipment revenue and market allotment through classification. For international development analytics tools revenue profit and growth fee by using category. International building analytics equipment burning revenue and bazaar share by view of utility. 3 international development analytics equipment consumption and increased cost via software. 3 international building analytics equipment revenue earnings price and infamous. United States development analytics equipment income earnings cost and disposable margin. Latin the United States construction analytics tools earning income expense and spoiled margin. 11 center East and Africa development analytic tools income revenue cost and spoil allowance business growth experience are credible source for gaining the market studies to be able to come up with the lead your company needs. Bazaar is alternating unexpectedly with the continuing expansion of the business development in technology has supplied nowadays agencies with multifaceted merits leading to each day's economic encounterment. For that reason, it is very important for an organization to comprehend the patterns of the market movements with a view to strategize more suitable and effective approach offers the agencies ahead originate in planning and expect over the rivals. On GPS trackers, bazaar dimension allotment, trade boom can charge analysis through classification, application and forecast, competencies, administration, utility bazaar, allotment, measurement, research, record by using logic and software trend, administration, approach, income, revenue and outlook, connected automobile guidelines, expertise, functions, bazaar approachment, trends, global size, business boom, fee, in demand gamers, industry share and segments, application to display paper box, market analysis studies, international business measurement, growth, alternatives and forecast to pharmaceuticals markets, international trade size segments, armament evaluation, income challenges and boom anticipation to appearance. The common addition on the categorical wire discussed with building analytics equipment market analysis experiences world industry dimension boom alternatives and anticipated. Is there an issue with this column stick unlock connect the source company the market watch information branch was now not worried about the creation of this content material. If you like my video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.